As we hear more and more about potential water shortages in certain areas of the country and in the world, it raises awareness for us all on how we should be mindful of this valuable natural resource.
Saving water can involve things like turning off the tap while brushing our teeth or washing dishes, as well as maximizing the number of dishes in our dishwasher before running, or consolidating loads of clothes for the washer. But there are also products that can help you save water when you do run the tap. WaterSense
is a voluntary partnership program sponsored by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. It partners with manufacturers to design, manufacture, and label water-efficient products, as well as provide resources to make them easier to find.
Today, we have a couple of WaterSense products we'd like to highlight as we install them in this home and talk about the potential water savings they create.
Now, while additional WaterSense products and fixtures are available, like this, we're going to be focusing on shower heads and aerators today. I'm going to head to the laundry room to install this, and I'll hook back up with you later.
Sounds like a deal.
The goal of this product is to gain at least 20% more efficiency in water use over standard or older specification faucets by establishing a maximum flow rate of 1.5 gallons per minute. Installation is quick and really easy, and it requires just a few simple tools. Now, while you could replace the entire faucet with a WaterSense product, this fix is quicker, it's easier, and it's less expensive if the rest of your faucet is in good shape. Depending on the aerator size and style that you choose, the average cost is about $3 to $8 for a new one. So, once you make sure you've got the correct aerator size and style for your particular faucet, you'll need the following supplies: expandable pliers with protective rubber jaws, a wire bristle brush or old toothbrush, a bit of Teflon or silicone lubricant, and white vinegar, along with paper towels or an old rag to clean deposits. Cover the drain with a towel or plug so you don't accidentally drop the new one down the drain. Often you can just remove the old aerator by hand, but if it's stuck, you may need to use your pliers. Turn counterclockwise to unscrew. Run the water at full blast for a moment to flush out any debris. If there are visible deposits or debris, use your white vinegar and rag of choice to clean it up. Screw the new aerator in slowly, making sure it's well aligned so you don't bend, dent, or cross-thread it. Tighten it as much as possible with your fingers. Turn on the faucet, and if you notice leaking around the threads, use your rubber-tipped pliers to tighten it a bit more. And that's it. This small fix can save you up to 700 gallons of water per year. Now you're ready to start saving water and money.
The WaterSense standard for showers is to limit the water flow to 2 gallons or less per minute. The good news is that the restricted flow increases the pressure, so you shouldn't notice a diminished quality for your shower. Gather a few tools and supplies: a blanket or tarp to protect the bottom of the shower and cover the drain, an adjustable wrench, a pair of slip joint pliers, Teflon tape to improve the seal, and the new shower head. You don't have to shut off the supply line, just make sure the shower knobs are completely off. Lay down the blanket or tarp and remove the old shower head. If it's screwed on loosely, you may be able to remove it by turning it counterclockwise with your hands. If it's tight, you may need to wrap a cloth around the base of the shower arm and grip it with the channel lock pliers to keep it secure as you use the wrench to unscrew the base of the shower head. Once removed, clean the threads of the shower arm with a clean rag. You can use an old toothbrush or wire brush if there is a stubborn buildup. Remove any old tape and apply about 2 to 3 turns of the Teflon tape to the threads. Wrap it tightly in a clockwise direction and press it into the grooves of the threads. Attach the new shower head, turning it clockwise by hand to secure it. Tighten as needed with the pliers, using a cloth to protect the head and arm from scratches. If specific instructions are included with your shower head, be sure to follow those to obtain the best result. Turn on the shower and check for any leaks. If leaking, reapply the Teflon taping and tighten a bit more, being careful not to over-tighten. And it's ready to use. These types of shower heads can save the average family 2,700 gallons of water per year, as well as the energy savings it would take to heat that water.
Nice job, Pete.
Right back at you.
You know, it's amazing what some little changes can do to help our budget and the environment.
It always feels good to improve the efficiency of your PowerHouse.